Your front door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, boosts curb appeal, and helps regulate indoor comfort. In a place like Sterling Heights, where winters can be harsh and summers surprisingly humid, your front door takes a beating year-round. If you've been putting off an upgrade, there are some clear warning signs that replacing your front door could be the smart move. Here are the most common signs Sterling Heights homeowners notice when it's time for a new front door. Drafts and temperature changes near the entryway. If you feel cold air creeping in during winter or warm air leaking through in summer, your front door may no longer be sealing properly. Older doors often warp over time, causing gaps around the frame that let outside air in. This not only makes your home less comfortable but can also increase heating and cooling costs. A modern, energy-efficient replacement door can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy waste. Visible damage or warping. Take a close look at your front door. Cracks, peeling paint, rust, dents, or noticeable warping are more than cosmetic issues. Michigan's fluctuating weather can cause materials to expand and contract, leading to long-term damage. If repairs are becoming frequent or ineffective, replacing the door is usually more cost-effective than continuing to patch it up. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A front door should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, dragging, or misalignment, it could be due to a shifting frame, moisture damage, or structural wear. While minor adjustments can sometimes help, persistent problems often signal that the door has reached the end of its lifespan. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your utility bills are climbing and you haven't changed your usage habits, your front door might be part of the problem. Older doors typically lack proper insulation and weather stripping. Replacing your door with a newer, insulated model can improve energy efficiency and help keep your home comfortable through Sterling Heights' seasonal extremes. Outdated appearance that hurts curb appeal. Your front door plays a major role in how your home looks from the street. An outdated or worn door can make even a well-maintained house feel tired. If you're thinking about selling or simply want to refresh your home's appearance, a new front door offers a noticeable upgrade with a strong return on investment. Poor security or worn locks. Security is a top concern for any homeowner. If your front door has loose hardware, a thin core, or outdated locking mechanisms, it may not provide the protection your family deserves. Modern replacement doors are designed with stronger materials and advanced lock compatibility, offering greater peace of mind. Excessive noise from outside. If street noise or neighborhood sounds seem louder than they used to be, your door may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. Gaps, thin materials, and worn seals can allow noise to travel easily indoors. A well-fitted replacement door can noticeably reduce outside noise and create a quieter home environment. Why replacing your front door is worth it. Replacing your front door isn't just about fixing problems. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, safety, and style. For Sterling Heights homeowners, a new front door can handle local weather demands while enhancing the overall look and feel of your home. If your current door shows one or more of these signs, it may be time to consider an upgrade. A quality front door replacement can transform your entryway and deliver long-term benefits you'll notice every day, from lower energy bills to increased confidence when you lock up at night.